Today I'm going to show you how to clean vinyl records using the Tergikleen solution for records in a manual method, not using an ultrasonic cleaner. So what I did was, as per the manual says, you have to put 10 drops of the solution into a gallon of distilled water. Of course, put the name. It's, oh, come on, my dog's there. Danger record cleaner. And then you need another gallon to rinse off the Tergikleen solution. And because I don't have a lot of records and I don't have the luxury of time to clean all of these records in one sitting, a couple of videos showing using a cake pan, the 14-15 inches of cake pan, and basically dip the whole record in there. But what I'm gonna do is just gonna clean a couple of records which I got over the weekend at a popular record store in Los Angeles. And what I did is my friend told me you can actually use a squirt bottle. So I transferred the gallon of solution to this sprayer, 32 ounces. And you see this industrial sprayer. I put the distilled water here. It's only like, I got it from Home Depot for HDX for about $10. So distilled water is about $1. So, and the sprayer is about $3. And I got this drying dish rack at the Dollar Tree for about $1.25. So you can see initially this was how it looked. It was kind of dirty. And you can see here, I don't have gloves, but you can see it's kind of shiny now. So also you need a couple of these guys. These are, I got from the Dollar Tree as well. These are like scrubbers, paint scrubbers. You can see it's kind of filthy already because I used it on that other record which I cleaned. You can see that this is actually how it looked when it was, I didn't use it initially. So I find this nice because it's kind of soft bristles, unlike the one I got initially from Home Depot, which costs more money actually, but $8. So this is like only $1.25. Dollar Tree isn't like a Dollar Tree anymore. It's like $1.25 tree. Anyway, COVID, everything went up. So anyway, what you do is, of course, you make it stand, but short of doing this video, you spray, try to avoid the label, but they say that, this label is pretty much pressed, incorporated when the vinyl record is minted. But and then you use the brush and gently, like, follow the groove of the record, which is opposite to when you're cleaning CDs. The CDs, you basically run whatever cleaning across the CD. This one you follow the groove gently, like so. Of course, it's ideal to have the record just standing up, but as you can see, I'm recording. As you can see, there's kind of filthy already. And then you flip it. Of course, ideally you need to wear gloves, but it's kind of lazy doing that now. I have a couple of gloves somewhere, but I just decided to do the video here. Of course, similarly you use the brush again. Follow the groove gently. You don't want to scrub it too much. Just follow And I wonder if you can reuse these guys, or you can just wash it. See how filthy it is with just a couple of passes. And of course, I'm going to the sink now, and let me run across the sink to rinse this guy. Turn on the light. Couple. How do we do this? All right, let's video there. Apologize if you don't see anything there, but it's pretty much okay. I'm gonna edit it later, but of course you use the sprayer and just squirt. I don't know if you see it, but see, it's quite effective. Instead of using a sprayer with this guy, you want to save the label from getting wet and soaked, saving it. Of course, it's kind of unavoidable sometimes to have to hit the center of the label. So that's pretty much it. And then you use like a microfiber to dry this guy, and let it dry on the rack. All right, thanks for watching, guys.